Hi, I'm Dalton, and this is Custom Airsoft. You know, you got your M3 right now. No ammo. That easy. When you're ready to shoot, pull that back. But it's still a little boring, so I'm going to grab control stock. It's pretty easy to put on. You know, you can pick these up pretty much Target, Walmart, pretty much anywhere. So we got your customizable flashlight. I guess that's out of the way for now. But no, one more thing. Come get out of here. Go. Handle. Okay, that's done. Moving on. M9 non-custom ammo, of course. And you got your custom M9. It's pretty easy. It's supposed to go on this little part. Supposed to go on the bottom. Feed through. So I have to just feed it through. You notice there's a little strap right here. Just put it right there. So I'm gonna set it. So that's pretty much it. But you can customize the ammo stuff. Pretty easy, like rubber band or something. And that has been Custom Airsoft Gun.